Welcome to CondoLogie.
I'm CondoBot. Let me show you. In this video, we will demonstrate the importance of the Register of Entrepreneurs. In fact, since we have been working in CondoLogie, whether at the level of budget items or at the level of the Register of Activities of the Board of Directors, we can easily find a place where we will use the Register of Entrepreneurs to add information to our files. I took the opportunity to complete a file from an entrepreneur. It is truly 100% complete. We call it ABC test and we're going to see what it can give. So if I submit to save the contractor's file, which is test ABC, if I go here, we see test ABC. Now, if I am producing my budget and I go to a budget item and I see the name of the supplier, but at that moment, we find the Register of Entrepreneurs. So, if I do a search on test ABC, we also see that the fact of having selected test ABC, all the contact information, all the account information is displayed in the budget item. If we went inside the register of the board, and we went to the activity form, we could see that if we produce a submission, the name of the company, if we come here, it's the same principle if we do the test ABC. We see that all the information is placed. So, if we made a quote for a repair at the garage, for example, at that moment, we will be able to have more than one contractor and it would be much easier and faster to complete the submission, the Register of Contractors. It is essential to keep it provided as much as possible. To complete it, you simply have to use your favorite search engines like Google, Bing and/or Yahoo, and at that time you find the entrepreneurs who are around your condominium and you complete the files which are in relation to the budget items that make up your condominium.